I've been staring at my mailbox every day and this finally showed up. I could barely lift this with one arm. Let's see what's in this mystery box of silver. My hands are shaking. I'm so excited. That's how I feel about this. Let's get this first. I know it. I can see it already. Oh my gosh. It's 100-ounce brick. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! And that is an Asahi. Let me see if I could get that label in there. Look at that, Asahi 100-ounce brick. It is so dense. But really, when you're stacking silver for the long haul, I originally was not very excited about bricks, but after the past 5, 7, 10 years going through premiums shooting up, this is really the way to go. I mean, it's the closest to spot these days that you could get for silver, and it's 100 ounces. So really, many of us, we could just swap out rounds, single ounces, swap out 100 and get one of these bricks, because in the long run, for real stacking, this is just the most efficient way to hold 100 ounces. Man, and it is holding its weight. There's more in here. This is what I've been... There you go. Oh. This is full tube. Let me show you. I'm not even going to say it. I know what it is. I'm not even going to say it. I'm just going to show you. Here's the king. There you go. There's a full tube. These are 2025 maples. Let's see how it looks all coming out. Wow. Now, the tube, this is not like American Eagles. There's 25 in here. It's totally different from when you get American Eagles, a tube is 20. There's 25 in here. Look at these. Just stunning. That it feels like a snake in my hand, and it's the kind of snake that you want in your hand. 25 1-ounce maples. The past few years, I've been really into the maples, and I think it's because I'm making all these videos. The maple leaf just really pops on camera, right? I mean, just look at one of those. See that? You could really see how it shines on camera. I mean, it shines in real life, but it's different from the American Silver Eagles. The look is really different. Here, look. What am I doing? I'll show you. There's something else in here. Get that there. Here it is. I know it's little. I know I ordered one more. Here you go. Now, this looks like an American Silver Eagle, right? It's got the walker on front, but it's actually silver round. I mean, you get the same satisfaction. It really looks like an American Silver Eagle. It looks the same on front, but it says on the bottom there, you see that? It says silver round. This is just from Money Metals Exchange. It's silver round. It's just as satisfying as holding American Silver Eagle, but you're not paying the premiums. Right here, now we can see, now we can really compare. Let me get one of my maples. Let's get them side to side. You can really see. I'll get in there. All right, see what I'm talking about how that pops? It's just so cool. I love it. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.